Module 10 is live in the Camaj Fiber Arts Spinning and Fiber Extravaganza Workshop. It's a continuation of dyeing because so many students wanted to learn how to dye locks and how to dye yarn, and I show you exactly how to do that. I'm also going to show you how to dye Dharma Purple Pop and Turquoise and have absolutely no bleeding. Just follow my instructions and you will be a success. I'll also show you how to store raw wool and prevent moth infestation, which is really important if you want to scour it later and you don't have time to scour it right away. So if you signed up for the class, head on over and watch Module 10. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Sign up and join us today. I'd love to have you in the workshop.